YouTube success isn't just about hard work, it's about smart work. Imagine this, you spend hours creating two videos. Both get the same number of views, yet one video earns hundreds, even thousands of dollars, while the other barely covers lunch money. Why? The secret lies in one thing, choosing the right niche. In this video, we'll uncover 4 high-earning YouTube niches that can turn your passion into a lucrative business. Whether you're dreaming of making bank through AdSense or unlocking revenue streams like sponsorships and affiliate marketing, I'll break it all down. You'll learn why these niches pay so well, see real-world examples, and get tips to dominate in each one. Plus, stay tuned until the end for an exclusive strategy to skyrocket your earnings, even if your niche has a low CPM. So, are you ready to transform your YouTube game? Let's dive in. When it comes to YouTube niches with sky-high CPMs, coding and software tutorials sit comfortably at the top. Advertisers love this space, and here's why. Recurring revenue. Unlike one-time product sales, coding companies promote subscription-based services like cloud hosting, coding boot camps, and software tools. These services generate revenue month after month, making advertisers eager to invest. Let's break down the numbers. These channels like JavaScript Mastery often see CPMs ranging from $40 to over $100 per 1,000 views. Imagine this, 2 million views per month with a conservative RPM of $40. That's $80,000 monthly from AdSense alone. And that's just one income stream. Add sponsorships, affiliate commissions, and course sales, and the potential skyrockets. The audience here is pure gold for advertisers, aspiring developers, career switchers, and tech enthusiasts are actively looking to invest in tools and training. Companies like Hostinger, Skillshare, and Udemy know this and frequently advertise on these channels. But what if you're not a tech guru? No worries. Focus on beginner-friendly tutorials, reviews of coding platforms, or case studies of popular tech projects. If your content adds value and stays consistent, advertisers will follow. Pro tip: create content around trending topics like AI, blockchain development, or mobile app programming. These areas attract higher-paying ads and keep your content relevant. Now, let's pivot to something more accessible, but just as profitable: the credit card niche. If you're intrigued by finance but prefer something practical, this niche is your gold mine. With CPMs ranging from $20 to $50, this niche offers one of the highest payouts on YouTube. Why? Because the audience is highly valuable, financially savvy individuals looking to maximize rewards, cashback, and travel points. Big players like American Express, Chase, and Capital One dominate the space, but it doesn't stop there. Travel companies, affiliate programs, and luxury brands also target this demographic, adding layers to your monetization potential. For example, the channel Ask Sebi pulls in 600,000 views in just 30 days. At a $20 CPM, that's $12,000 in AdSense alone. Add sponsorships and affiliate commissions, often paying $50 to $200 per referral, and the earnings amplify exponentially. This niche thrives on evergreen content. Credit card benefits, travel hacks, and financial strategies are always relevant. Plus, with constant updates like new perks or fee changes, you'll never run out of ideas. Pro tip: focus on a specific angle, like travel rewards or credit building, to attract a loyal audience and high-paying partnerships. While credit cards focus on financial freedom, sustainability is all about the future of our planet, leading us to our next lucrative niche. In today's world, sustainability isn't just a trend, it's a movement, and it's rapidly growing on YouTube. Channels focused on sustainable living and eco-friendly products attract advertisers from green energy companies, eco-conscious brands, and sustainable product lines. These brands often have higher marketing budgets to align with their values, leading to CPMs in the $20 to $45 range. This niche appeals to a passionate and loyal audience actively searching for ways to reduce their carbon footprint and embrace a greener lifestyle. Content can range from DIY upcycling projects to reviews of eco-friendly products like solar chargers, biodegradable packaging, and zero-waste alternatives. For instance, a channel discussing sustainable fashion can partner with ethical clothing brands, earning through both AdSense and affiliate marketing. Similarly, videos on green tech solutions like smart thermostats or electric bikes often attract sponsorships from high-paying brands eager to reach this environmentally conscious audience. Pro tip: highlight cost-effective sustainability hacks to engage a broader audience. Pair this with partnerships from eco-friendly startups and subscription services to maximize revenue. While sustainability focuses on the future of our planet, career development focuses on the future of individuals. This brings us to our next niche. In a world where everyone is hustling to level up their career, this niche is a goldmine. Career development content focuses on topics like resume building, job interview tips, career transitions, and insights into high-demand industries. Advertisers in this space include job boards, online training platforms, professional coaching services, and tools like LinkedIn Premium. With CPMs ranging from $25 to $50, the potential earnings are impressive. What makes this niche unique is its relevance across age groups. Recent graduates, mid-career professionals, and even career switchers are actively searching for actionable advice to land their dream jobs or boost their income. For instance, a video on top tech careers in 2024 could attract ads from coding boot camps, online course platforms, and professional certification programs. One channel specializing in this niche could easily pull in sponsorships offering services like resume reviews or career coaching, significantly boosting their revenue beyond AdSense. Moreover, this niche offers opportunities to integrate affiliate programs such as promoting career tools like Grammarly or Canva. Pro tip: create evergreen content like how to nail any job interview while staying updated with emerging trends such as remote work and AI-driven hiring processes. This mix will keep your content relevant and engaging for a broad audience. There you have it. 4 YouTube niches with big earning potential. Whether you're passionate about tech, finance, sustainability, or career growth, the opportunities are endless. The key is to choose a niche that excites you, consistently provide value, and stay ahead of trends. Which niche are you diving into? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on growing your YouTube channel and maximizing earnings. Until next time.